Hello viewers, it is my next video on The Tempest, Act 3rd, Scene 1. This video will start from line number 95 up to line number 115. So Miranda has expressed her feelings for Ferdinand, saying that the more I try to hide my feelings, the more they are exposed to you. So line number 96 I am starting. Hence bashful cunning and prompt me plain and holy innocence. Hence bashful cunning. Actually Miranda was not speaking anything directly. So now she feels that it's time to express what I feel for him. So that's why she says that bashful cunning. Actually she was not cunning even. But she was pretending to say something else which she actually wanted to say. So therefore she says that bashful cunning hence means you just go away. I am going to do away with this display of bashfulness and let me speak you plainly and let me speak you with my pious innocence what I feel for you. I am your wife if you will marry me. So now she speaks flatly. She cannot resist her feelings anymore. So she says that if you agree to marry me, I would love to be your wife. If not, I will die your maid. And if you do not agree to marry me, so even then I would love to die as your maid. Maid refers to means I would love to serve you as your servant. My happiness lies in becoming your wife. If it is not possible, so I would die as your servant. To be your fellow, you may deny me. You can deny me to be your life partner. Fellow means life partner or wife. So you can refuse me to marry me. It's okay, fine. But I will be your servant. But you cannot refuse me to accept as your servant. If you disagree with me to just become my life partner, so I will be your servant whether you will or not. You may like it or not. But I insist that I will die as your servant. Then Ferdinand says, my mistress, dearest, I thus humble ever. Ferdinand says, my mistress, you are dearest to me. My sweetest, my dearest mistress, how can I refuse you? I very humbly accept it. Miranda, my husband then? Miranda confirms. Then you are ready to be my husband? Ferdinand, with a heart as willing. Line number 105. Ferdinand says, yes, with a heart as willing as bondage ever of freedom. Here is my hand. I am willing to be your husband with so much willpower. I am desirous of getting you as my wife in the same way as a slave has desire to get freedom. As a slave always wants to get freedom, he thinks of his freedom. So his freedom is the most valuable thing for a slave. So getting you as my wife will be the most valuable thing for me. So I am wholeheartedly ready to accept you as my wife. So here is my hand. He extends his hand to her and say that yes, here is my hand, you can hold it. Miranda and mine. So Miranda also reciprocates in the same manner. She also extends her hand. So with my heart in it. And by extending her hand, she says that yes, I am not only extending my hand, but my heart is also in my hand. So along with my hand, I offer you my heart. Now farewell till half an hour hence. So this way they both accept each other. And now Miranda says that now I bid you goodbye for half an hour. Okay, now onwards for half an hour, I have to say you goodbye. I will not meet you. And Ferdinand says 1,000, 1,000. He says that yes, I can say 1,000 times goodbye to you when you have agreed to become my wife. So it does not matter to me. 1,000 hours I can wait for you. So they both exit. Ferdinand and Miranda exit separately. Okay. So Prospero, line number 110. Prospero's mission is over. He was overhearing everything and he was viewing all this, what is going on between the two. So now Prospero concludes that so glad of this as they I cannot be who are surprised withal. Means I am so happy to see all this happening before me. Even this couple may not be so happy or so surprised. So it is very well done, and whatever has happened between the two has surprised me and made me happy. But my rejoicing at nothing can be more. I will to my book. But my rejoicing at nothing can be more. He says that my happiness can be more. I have to do something more to make my happiness grand. So I will go back to my books, and yet before supper time must I perform much business appertaining. So I must go back to my study to read my books. Before supper time, I have to finish some more works which are left yet to be done. So this way, Prospero's mission to just find out whether Ferdinand and Miranda are in love with each other has been accomplished well, and he is happy to see that they both are in deep love with each other. Ferdinand has passed the test given by Prospero with bright colors. So let us see what happens next in our next scene. Thank you, viewers. Have a good day.